This is our conference, our teaching conference called Enabling Equitable Education. We have 430 staff here today at Equitable School, where we're taking part in professional learning opportunities together.
I think ultimately the aim to have equality for all children is a very bold one and a very admirable one. And it's great that it's the highlight of what they're doing today, but it's also about how going forward you're able to maintain that and weave that into the very fabric of who you are and what you do as a trust.
I think the conference has been really well thought out about what's needed for today's society and changes and what our children are experiencing. I've been writing down things that my teachers can implement straight away. There's instant things that are being put in, but also opportunities for them to go away and research and think and develop their own practice. And it links into the bigger structure of CPD that's being implemented within the trust as well.
I find it really enjoyable. I think it's good for my professional development to go away and think about the sessions and read and research and find out more about it. And also the opportunity to support and enthuse and help others is something I'm really passionate about. Making sure that other teachers feel supported in their professional development is a really good opportunity.
I've been teaching 19 years. I wouldn't teach how I taught when I first started. So these things are absolutely vital for us to improve our performance. As Lord Jim Knight says, the moment a teacher stops learning is the moment the students stop learning.
As a trust of 11 schools, it's really important that everybody feels connected. So we have to find ways of bringing people together to foster strong relationships so that everybody has a sense of belonging, but more importantly, that everybody gets the opportunity to learn from each other.
This is the first trust conference that I've been to, and a lot of the information was very helpful, but the discussions with my colleagues were even more helpful about what was realistic.
There's some really nice discussions that have come out today, and some takeaways for me. Although I was delivering a workshop, there were some really lovely takeaways in the session. I thought, actually, I'm going to take away and try that. And obviously our speakers this morning were really, really good too.
Kids that need your love and affection will be the ones that tell you, I don't want it, I can't have it, I don't want to hear it from you. And actually they're the ones that we need to say, you know what, I care for you more than anything.
Putting this amount of value into your staff and enabling them to gather together will naturally feed into improvement because they feel valued. They then pass on that glow almost onto their pupils, and that shared expertise and that shared morale boost, then an event like this just will cascade through the year.
I think everybody, to work a little bit harder in a busy environment, needs to know the why, and that's something the Trust works really, really hard on, to make sure that everybody within our schools are very much part of that journey and buy into that sense of belonging. Gives us a real sense of community.
Over the past 18 months, we've been bringing staff together from all areas of our schools. And this year is the first year that we are able to hold conferences for our associate staff. So that means all staff across our trust are being invested in terms of professional learning.